As you can see, guys, this trailer is coming together very nicely. I mean, we haven't done a whole lot on it, but for just putting the roof on it, it looks pretty cool. It also looks like somebody staring at me. We still have quite a few things that we need to clean up. So that just means that there are going to be even more episodes coming with this series. It's going to be pretty cool. If you want to see the rest of this trailer, well, go hit the subscribe button. And the subscribe button doesn't really mean a whole lot unless you hit that bell notification. That way you get updated whenever we make another Flytecamp episode. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!